Hi everyone, we created an app called jobSpot that strives to be your home for managing your job hunt. As computer science students ourselves, all of us go through the recruitment cycle every year. Searching for and applying to companies or startups online can be a very time-consuming task. Managing and scheduling multiple interviews, follow-ups, and offers from numerous companies became unfeasible to handle through email alone. As of now, there are no good applications where job seekers can keep track of all of their applications and interviews. A few people currently might resort to online planners or Excel spreadsheets, but this method is very cumbersome and decentralized and can lack organizational and specialized features. Our proposed product, JobSpot, would solve this issue for job applicants. Our vision is to develop a centralized and feature-rich web application that gathers all of a user's job hunting status, interview dates, and other information into one personalized dashboard. We also plan to help the user save time with job hunting by having a curated list of popular job opportunities, with the application link provided. All it would take is just one click to add that application to their personal pool to be tracked. Let's jump right into the demo. Here you can see our landing page, and we connected with the Google OAuth API for authorization, so we'll use it to sign in. I'll choose my account. And that takes us to our dashboard. So this is the heart of our application, the personal application dashboard page. And this is linked to the Google API. As you can see, there's my Google profile pic. Here you can see all of the currently tracked applications that you have. So I'm currently tracking 5 applications, and here you can see the company name with Google, Facebook, Yahoo. Here's the job title, so the position. Here is the deadline if you haven't applied yet, or the interview date if you have already applied. And here you can see the status of your applications. So this table is sortable. You can sort by company name, you can sort by status, and you can also filter by status. So suppose you want to see the applications you applied for, but you haven't heard back yet, and you want to follow up, so you can see that. Here are the ones you completed interviews for. Maybe you want to compare your offers and see which one you want to take, so you can do that. You can also search for applications here. So let's say you want to look for all your applications that have to do with an engineering role, so you can search engineer. It starts the search right away, and you can see these 3 have engineering in its title. We can also add new applications to track. Suppose you applied for Apple, and let's say it's on the 30th. You just scheduled your interview. Let's add it to our dashboard. As you can see, a new row appears, and it says interview is scheduled. We can also edit our application here. So let's say, for example, we take Yahoo, and let's keep the same date. But actually, let's say we applied for it. We applied. Now they scheduled us for an interview on the 28th. So we can change our status to interview scheduled and save application. It gets edited. Now we can also delete. So if we don't want to track this Apple application anymore, we can just delete it. It'll ask you to confirm. You can cancel it, which means it won't do anything. Or you can confirm and it'll delete from your dashboard. Okay, so that's all the features of the dashboard here. Let's take a look at the calendar. So this is our recruiting calendar here, and here you can see all the current applications we have active. Now, this is linked up with our dashboard, so we go to our dashboard and add a new application. Let's say we add one to Dropbox. Schedule it for the 7th, and we add it to our dashboard. If we go to the calendar and look on the 7th, we have the Dropbox interview right there. So this you can see your applications on both sides. This is like a bird's eye view, so you can see everything in one place. In the calendar view, so you can see which events are coming up the soonest. You can also delete applications here. So delete events here. So let's say you have you finished with the interview here. You want to delete from your calendar. You can just delete it and it gets removed. If you want to add additional events, even the ones that are not part of an application. For example, you have a career fair on Friday that you want to add. So you can say career fair at Commons, and you can specify a time. Say it's around noon. Let's create the event, and it gets added to your calendar. You can edit it here or delete it again. This is also synced up with your Google Calendar. So that means if you go take a look here, all the events that are on the calendar here are also on here. So that means if you have the Google Calendar app on your phone and you want to check your upcoming events or upcoming application deadlines, then you can just pull up there. Or if you track a lot of your daily tasks on Google Calendar, then this even works better for you since everything is in one place. So if for example I want to delete this event, it gets removed there, and you refresh this calendar, it's gone there as well. Now let's check out the position listing. So here we have a large list of applications that you can apply for directly. So let's click one of these. For example, we want to apply for Airbnb. We press the apply button and it takes you directly to their application page. So you don't have to go to each company's websites and hunt for that link to apply. This will take you directly there. Or if you want to apply for AirFS, you press apply and it'll take you directly to the application form. Let's suppose you applied for Airbnb and you want to track the application on your dashboard. So you can just press this. It'll immediately add it to your dashboard. Let's go there. As you can see, it's added right there. So it defaults to not yet applied, but once you apply to it, you can come here and modify its status to applied, and save the application again, and it changes it right there. So we created this list through scraping popular job listing pages for available positions. So this whole list was scraped from other websites and combined together to make it convenient for everyone. And this should be very easy to use, right? So you can apply directly and track it with one click. Let's check out a person's profile. So if you check your user's profile, we can see some graphs of the number of applications we made each month and the status of all of our current applications. So this is a donut graph, and we can see we applied to 3 of them, we have 1 interview scheduled, and all of this. So if you're done looking at all your applications and you want to log out, you can just click here and press log out, and it'll take you back to the home page. And that is our application. So our application does still have some limitations. Right now, our job listings page only contain software engineering internship positions. So later on, if we had time, then we could implement scraping through even full-time positions as well. So any type of job seeker can come here and quickly apply to these applications. Another feature that we could implement in the future would be a notification system. So if the user had incoming deadlines or incoming interviews within the next few days, then we could automatically send out emails or SMS notifications so they can be reminded. So that is jobSpot. We hope that jobSpot can become a tool used by any sort of job seeker to organize your job hunting process and make it more convenient and easier to go through. Thank you.